All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at 2-10. Okay, question 11. Take the derivative. F prime of x is equal to 3/2 x to the positive 1/2, and I want it at 4. So I have 3/2 times 4 to the 1/2, which is 3/2 times the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so those cancel out, and I'm left with a 3. Skipping question 12, going to question 13. F of x is equal to x to the 1/2 plus 3x to the negative 1/2. So I want to take the derivative. F prime of x is equal to 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 minus 3/2 x to the negative 3/2 power. I want this at 4. So f prime of 4 is equal to, maybe I should do this a little different. Let's make these positive exponents first. So f prime of x, 1 over 2 root x minus 3 over 2, and then this is the square root of x cubed. Okay, so f prime of 4 is 1 over 2 times the root of 4 minus 3 times 2 root 4 cubed. So essentially I have 1 over 2 times 2, which is 1/4, minus 3 over 2 root 4, then it's cubed, so that's 2 cubed, which is 8. So minus 3 over 16. So this is 4 minus 3 over 16, so this is 1 over 16. All right, 15. So 1/2 x to the 4/5 minus 2x to the negative 5. So then the derivative, so not f, just kidding. Y prime 1/2 4/5 x to the negative 1/5 power, and then minus 2 times negative 5 x to the negative 6 power. So then those cancel out. I'm left with 2/5 x to the negative 1/5 plus 10 x to the negative 6. So 10 over x to the 6 and this guy. So it is A. Skipping, going to 17. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of sine is cosine, so 1 plus cosine. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, so I need to do quotient rule. So y prime, and it's also a normal line. So y prime is 1 plus cosine times the derivative of negative cosine, which is negative of negative sine. And the reason why it's negative twice is because it's negative in front of the cosine, and then cosine derivative is also negative. Minus 1 minus cosine of x times the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine, all over 1 plus cosine of x, the quantity squared. I would maybe not simplify. These are both positive. This negative sign with the negative turns that into positive, so I would have just started plugging in 1 plus cosine of pi over 2, sine of pi over 2, plus 1 minus cosine of pi over 2, sine of pi over 2 over 1 plus cosine of pi over 2, the quantity squared. 1 squared is 1. That's 1, and that's 1. Cosine of pi over 2 is 0, so that's 1, and that's 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So your tangent line slope is 2, which makes the normal line negative 1/2. So then I have y minus 1 is equal to negative 1/2 x minus pi over 2. Which is this guy. And I think that ends the section.